Today we'll start the sixth question. Now see the sixth question. In figure, this is the given figure to us. AC is equals to AE. This AC is equals to this AE. Okay, these both are marked by double lines. Okay, and AB is equals to AD. This AB is equals to this AD. It is marked by single line. Okay, now and angle BAD is equals to angle EAC. Angle BAD, this angle is equals to angle EAC. EAC, this angle. Okay, now we have to show that BC is equals to DE. This is BC and this is DE. Okay, now in this question first you will write what is given to you, then you will write what you have to prove. To prove, then you will start the proof. Now see the proof. See, we have to prove BC equals to DE. Now see, BC will come in which triangle? BC will come in triangle BAC, and DE will come in triangle. Which triangle it will come? ADE. Okay, so we will take these both triangles to do the proof. Okay, now first of all, it is given that angle BAD is equals to angle EAC. These two angles are equal. Now in these two angles we will add this part. Okay, so what we will do, adding angle DAC on both the sides. Which is angle DAC? This angle, the angle between these two angles. Okay, so add angle DAC on both sides. This will become angle BAD plus angle DAC is equals to angle EAC plus angle DAC. Now what is angle BAD plus angle DAC? This is angle BAD and this is angle DAC. The sum of these two will be equal to angle BAC. So here we will write BAC. And what is the sum of these two angles? The sum of these two angles will be EAD. So here we will write is equals to angle EAD. Now mark this equation as equation number 1. Now take these two triangles. Triangle ABC and triangle ADE. One triangle is marked with pink pen and one triangle is marked with green pen. Okay, now we have to prove these two triangles congruent. So we can see that this AB is equals to this AD. This is given to us. So write AB equals to AD given. Then this AC of pink triangle is equal to AE of green triangle. This is also given to us. Okay, now just now we have proved this angle BAC is equals to angle EAD. Okay, so right here angle BAC equals to angle EAD. This is from equation 1. Now see the pink triangle. What we have proved equal? This side, this angle and this side. So we can write by SAS congruency, both the triangles are congruent. So we can write by SAS congruency rule, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADE. Now if these two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding sides and their corresponding angles will also be equal. Now see what we have to prove. We have to prove BC equals to DE. BC is of pink triangle and DE is of green triangle, and these are corresponding sides. So we can write BC is equals to DE. Why they are equal? Because of CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Okay, so we can write it directly that they are equal by CPCT. Hence proved. Thank you everyone. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe and share my channel, and stay connected with A1 study classes.